And another aspect of Japanese pollution control is that we had a series of some big change of energy policy in history. For instance, up to 1960, we used a lot of coal, raw coal. So we had a similar problem with the Balkan countries. Many households used raw coal for heating and cooking. But the Japanese government decided to shut down all coal mines and to import oils and to change structure of industry and to modernize industry. So that policy, energy policy, had a really huge meaning for air pollution. Working with many countries, media could play very important role because the government really becomes serious if people knows about situation of air pollution. So that public awareness can be influenced by media and professional people. So please convey right knowledge and opinions from professional people in your country to your people.